Hi, I'm Callum and I'm from England, and I've chose to come to Hair of Istanbul because I've followed them for the last 5 years now and everything just looks amazing, and the way I've been treated is absolutely brilliant. First noticed I was receding around the age of 23, 24, and I've always been humming and hawing about having it done, and because it can take up to 6 months to a year for it to look amazing, and I've just bit the bullet because I've spoke to a friend of mine who's had it done and he said everything here is absolutely amazing. So far, I'm extremely happy. I think it's all to do with confidence, to be honest. Obviously, as you get older, you do lose your hair, you lose your confidence, and just want to gain that back again. Like, all the expectations of coming here, I did know it would be amazing, and it's lived up to that. So obviously, when I first noticed I was losing it, you're down and you want to do something about it. But then it is a big decision to have a hair transplant. I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to go for it and hopefully better my life. So basically, if anyone is thinking about having it done, I would absolutely get it done, 100%, and come to Hair, the best place, because you will be treated extremely well, and I'm sure you'll be happy with the end result. So overall, my experience here has been the best, and I'll never forget it. And it's life-changing.